According to Article 31 of our Constitution, any restriction to be imposed on the liberty of a citizen and fundamental rights of citizens has to be a reasonable restriction.
First of all, Article 43 of our Constitution, just reminding you, I know most of you are legal minds. Article 43 of our Constitution has categorically mandated, which is enforceable fundamental right of our citizens and every person in Bangladesh. Article 43 mandates that my privacy, my private correspondence, my privacy in home cannot be interfered except by authority of law.
And Article 31, according to Article 31 of our Constitution, any restriction to be imposed on the liberty of a citizen and fundamental rights of citizens has to be a reasonable restriction. And these issues are often talked in our courts in writ matters, so I don't want to elaborate on them. Just one thing I want to note here for your understanding, that the restriction can be imposed by law, but that law has to be reasonable as per Article 31. The situation, the present situation prevailing in our country and internationally as well, is totally in the opposite direction. In America, if you say even in Europe, people's private data, institutions' private data are being interfered, hacked in so many ways by different agencies, local agencies and foreign agencies. Recent hacking of International Criminal Court of Justice by Israeli intelligence has been reported widely in different international newspapers. In our country as well, sometimes we find some videos are leaked, some telephone conversations are leaked through YouTube. Nobody cares about how that telephone conversation has been obtained. When two persons privately talking to each other either through WhatsApp or whatever mechanism, that conversation is being recorded by an agency. In our country as well it is happening. Probably it is government agency or probably it is a private agency. I don't know. I don't have evidence to say that to blame the government for that. But we find it in YouTube or Facebook, wherever, whatever, that one private conversation between two individuals or three individuals are widely circulated through the media, social media. Nobody cares about the source of that conversation, source of those data. Nobody cares about the privacy given in favor of that two individuals by our Constitution, Article 43. Nobody cares about the violation. Even the law enforcement agencies are silent about those when those leaked conversations are favorable to them. But they sometimes are seen taking action when such leaked conversations are against them or against some government agencies or against some government individuals, high-profile personality of the government. So this aspect in data security atmosphere has to be addressed very fast at the beginning, because of the fact that we are evolving democracy and we are facing day to day lots of challenges in respect of our rights guaranteed by the Constitution. Therefore, I appreciate organization of this sort of seminar because of that aspect as well, although that aspect has not been addressed by any of the speakers so far.